Hi everyone, so today I'm making this bracelet. It has these clip things in it. Yeah, so you don't need very many bands, you only need like 8, literally. I used 4 of each color because this is what I wanted to use. I used 2 blues and then I used 2 silvers. So yeah, and then I used 4 C-clips. So yeah, it's pretty simple. This is the size for my arm, so you can make it like bigger or smaller, you just need to do it differently. So yeah, what I'm going to be using is 4 little C-clips. I'll be using 2 green clip things, 2 silver clip things, 4 green bands, 4 white bands, and then just my hook, because this is a hook only design. So I'm first going to take my colored one, because that's what I want to start with. And also when you're putting them on, you kind of want to make it look nice. You see how they have the openings? Right there? Or if you go like this, it opens. I try to make them all face the same way, so it's like they're all like, so if it's like this, they're all like that, so they all just look nicer versus like that would look fine, but I just prefer if it looks like that. Yeah, so it's up to you to make sure if you want that or not. First I'm going to put this over my hook. I'm going to use the big end at the moment. Actually I want the little end, yeah. See, you can't just slide it through because the hook doesn't fit through there. Like if you get right under the end, it maybe does sort of, but like up here you can't. So I want it through this little loop, but it does fit through the little loop. Then take a green band, pull it through that, put it back on my hook, and then I'm going to C-clip that. I'm going to C-clip those 2 bands together, but it's hard to do up in the air in front of the camera. So once I have it C-clipped, I will show you. C-clip. C-clips are not always your friend, and they don't always want to let the bands go inside. So it looks like that. If I took it off my hook right now, it wouldn't come apart. Then what I want to do, take my other green one, put the little end through, but I want to make sure when they're hanging that the opening is on the same side, so yeah, you do that however you did the first one, make them the same. Put that over my hook, take my other green bands. I only have exactly how many I'm using, so I gotta make sure not to lose them. Pull that through like that, and then put this band on the C-clip. It's gonna be a little tight-ish because there's 4 bands on the same C-clip, but it's fine. You can fit that many. Yeah, and then you can take it off the hook. And then, yeah, you go like that, and that's what it looks like. Yeah. And I did it so, again, like these are on the same side, because if you look, they're both on the bottom. So, yeah. Next thing I'm going to do is go through the big end of this one. Take my 3rd green band, pull it through, and then C-clip it. Just like I did before, so it's hard to show you. So I'll show you once I have it C-clipped. Yeah. There. C-clipped. And then put it, I didn't mean to take it off my hook, it just kind of came off, so I showed it to you. So yeah. And then I want to take one of my silver ones, which use the big end, because I want the ends to be the same. They could turn around or something, like once you put it together you could like turn them around, but I just put them the way they want. And then I want to make sure that the openings are on the same side, because that's just how I like to do it. Then I'll take one of my white bands, pull it through, and put it on that same C-clip I put the green ones on from the last one I just did. Which is going to be a little difficult because my C-clip went on in a weird way, went on the wrong way, so I have to flip it over so it's open on the top. It's going to take a second. Yeah, there it goes. So now if I put that on the C-clip too. Like that. And take it off. And then this looks like this. Now I'll go through this end of the bracelet right here. I'll pull the white one through. You can do whatever color you want. I just do the half blue and half white, and then the half green and half white, because what I like. But you can do whatever color you want, what color your hooks are. It goes by, if you have the silver ones, you can use any color you want. But like since I have the green and the blue ones, I decided just to do green and blue bands with it. But you could do like green ones and like pink bands, like that. I have my last clip thing here. I want to put it on, small end, so it's the same as the last one I put on. Take white band, pull it through, put it back on, and then I'm going to C-clip this to the other C-clip is still attached to the band on my hook. Like that. And then pull my hook out. So now you gotta just pull them and the bands get a little twisted, so you just gotta untwist them and stuff. Yeah. So it looks like that. If I see how that C-clip goes that way and that one goes that way, I'm going to just take this and flip it around and pull the band so they end up on the opposite sides. I just want it to all be the same because it looks a little nicer in my opinion, but if you don't care, you don't have to do it. It's up to you. Pull this one down through itself. Oops. And if your band pops back off, just don't let it fall apart. Don't forget. Just get it back on and you'll be fine. So there, now you see how they're the same. So now I'm going to go through this big end. We have no more clips, so we're just going to pull a white one through here. Like that. Put a C-clip on it. The last C-clip. Like that. Then we're going to make sure our bracelet's like straight and not twisted. And we're going to take this first one we did, put it on our hook. It's most likely, if these don't match up, that means it's definitely twisted. Like if the openings don't match up, it's definitely twisted. So yeah, that's an easy way. And you take the last green band we have, or whatever this color as you're using, pull it through that one, and then put it on that C-clip. And then pull your hook out. And I'm going to just check if they are on the correct side in the same direction, and it's not, so I'm going to put it the other way. So see how they're going the same way. The openings are both on the bottom. The round is on this side. Yeah, that's what I want. And this is a bracelet that doesn't really have an end to it because there's so many, because of the C-clips. But yeah, that's it. And you could potentially make it bigger or whatever. I just like to use this many of the things, so that's why it's my arm size. So yeah, it's green on this side and it's white on this side. And then I have the blue one. So yeah, you just do whatever size and stuff and colors you like. It's all up to you. That's what they look like. Again, I don't know if I said it already, but I don't really have a name for this one, so just check the title. By then it'll have a name. But this is what it looks like. If you like rainbow loom bracelets, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like hook only or on the loom better. I'll do more whichever one you guys like, but I'll probably end up doing both anyways, because I like both. And subscribe. Bye!